Hi, I'm Jeremy Hallett. Welcome back to another Insurance Insider video. Today, we are going to talk about Legal & General's Horizon platform. That's their application platform and underwriting process. Though most of us know Legal & General as Banner. So please feel free to mix and match. They are the same company. It's actually Legal & General of America. And, being an American makes it difficult to know that Legal & General is one of the largest insurance companies in the world. Literally. The next time you're in Europe, look around. There's a lot of Legal & General everywhere. So this platform is insanely cool. And LGA, let's call them that from now on, Legal & General of America, LGA has put in an immense effort into building a best-in-class process for both consumers and for the advisors who offer their products. The Horizon platform is cutting-edge design from simplicity to process to design and ultimately to user experience. A client can complete an application solo through the digital app. Your client can also complete the app alongside you, their advisor, or they can do an interview over the phone. The process couldn't be easier. So let's break it down. Once the client has completed an application the way that fits best for them, the data that has been collected and pulled from third-party sources will determine the eligibility for an exam-free underwriting experience. Accelerated underwriting is available for qualified applicants aged 20 to 60 and for up to $2 million in coverage. And clients who don't qualify but have had recent blood testing results can still be eligible through something called LGA's Lab Lift Exam Substitution Program, meaning they won't have to take an exam. If eligible, the policy can and will be approved and issued exam and APS free. And if not, an exam will be scheduled for the client and they then move into a more traditional underwriting experience so that they still should get an offer if they qualify for life insurance. Once the application is approved, an offer is sent to the client to accept and pay and download the policy. Pretty easy, right? So all of the application submission options are easy to complete and get your client coverage fast. So let's discuss some of these options a little more in depth. Most applications are done online, and LGA has a streamlined digital app that makes it so easy for a client to apply online anytime, on any device, in as little as 15 minutes. Plus, we all know that LGA has some of the lowest rates for term insurance. Win-win, and is priced right. More than 90% of the applicants who start the application process digitally complete it, meaning it's easy to do. This reduces the cycle time a lot. Cycle time is the amount of time to receive a fully underwritten policy, which is the best way to get the best pricing. The LGA experience provides clients with a more personalized experience between the advisor and the client. And from the client's request, an advisor can be more hands-on or more hands-off. LGA is the only carrier in the country that I know of that has this type of digital capability. It is so cool. So this process, it gives advisors flexible options, including the choice to complete the app process with the clients or simply to send them a link for the client to complete on their own time. And this process, LGA calls it App Assist, allows for advisors to get real-time outcomes, including things like instant approval, literally right after they finish the app. So awesome. Light touch underwriting, which means the client completed the digital app and then there wasn't quite perfect situation for the computer to make a decision. So it goes to an underwriter, and that underwriter can actually make a decision and push go after doing a quick review within a couple hours. Also, the real-time outcomes include APS ordering, so all the medical records and everything that comes in, and also whether or not a paramedical exam is needed, whether that nurse needs to come to the client. So the digital app assist process provides all of the benefits of LGA's in-house team paired with the efficiency of a digital application. And if the client prefers, they can do a 30-minute phone interview to complete that application, and you can also schedule that. Now, out of experience that we have seen, it's best to ask the client to reserve 45 minutes of their day if they choose to do the phone rather than the digital, as it does go sometimes longer than 30 minutes for some clients. Now, the accelerated underwriting processes are built right into the digital application. That those approvals can happen instantly, that instant approval. And we see it all the time. And then if it's that light touch underwriting, we can see an offer come in just a few hours for eligible clients. And due to LGA's entrepreneurial processes, including Lab Lift, Over half of all cases are being approved exam-free now. Half of them. The R&D team at LGA deserves applause for that. Good job, team. And lastly, the digital delivery sends clients a policy offer so that they can pay directly and finalize and download their policy in minutes online. And the digital offer reduces the need to reissue a policy, which can add a week or more to the process for most traditional carriers. LGA is fast, LGA is efficient, and the Horizon experience is here to make both the clients and the advisors' lives easier. Thanks for watching today's episode, and try LGA Banner if you are a client or an advisor. They've done great work, and they are worthy of your business. See you again next time.